What if I tell you, the next Hero Splendor Plus could give you more than 100 km per kg mileage? Yes, you heard that right. A shocking leak suggests that Hero might be working on a CNG-powered Splendor Plus for 2026. Is this real, or just hype? Watch till the end because this could completely change the future of budget bikes. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching SG Riders, your go-to place for the latest bike updates, leaks, and honest reviews. If you love bikes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Segment 1, Why this news is going viral. So first of all, why is this news blowing up everywhere? Right now, fuel prices are increasing day by day, and people are desperately looking for low-cost alternatives. That's exactly where CNG vehicles come into play. We've already seen CNG cars gaining popularity, and recently, even bikes have started entering this segment. And now, imagine this India's most trusted and best-selling commuter bike, the Hero Splendor Plus, entering the CNG market. That's why this news is spreading like wildfire. Segment 2, The Big Leak Explained. According to recent leaks and industry rumors, Hero MotoCorp might be planning to introduce a CNG variant of Splendor Plus by 2026. Now, this is not officially confirmed yet, but sources suggest that Hero is actively working on alternative fuel technology, especially for their commuter segment. There are also strong chances that this bike could use a dual fuel system, meaning you can switch between petrol and CNG just like some CNG cars. If this becomes reality, it will be a total game changer for daily commuters. Segment 3, 100 plus km mileage claim. Now let's talk about the most shocking part. The rumored mileage is 100 plus km per kg of CNG. Yes, that sounds insane, but technically, it's possible. CNG is already known for delivering better mileage compared to petrol. And since Splendor is already a lightweight and highly fuel-efficient bike, combining it with CNG could easily push the mileage to extreme levels. Just imagine you fill CNG worth very little money and ride for more than 100 kilometers. This could make it the cheapest running bike in India. Segment 4, Running Cost Breakdown. Let's break it down in simple terms. Right now, petrol bikes cost quite a lot per kilometer. But with CNG, the cost drops significantly. If this Splendor CNG actually launches, running cost could drop by 40% to 50%. Perfect for daily office riders. Best option for delivery riders and students. This means you save money every single day. And over a year? The savings could be massive. Segment 5, Expected Features. Now let's talk about what features we might see in this 2026 model. Dual fuel system, petrol plus CNG. Updated fuel injection system. Improved engine tuning for efficiency. Digital or semi-digital meter. Eco mode for maximum mileage. Stronger chassis to handle CNG cylinder. Also, Hero might redesign the seat or rear section to adjust the CNG tank without compromising comfort. Segment 6, Competition and Market Impact. If Hero launches this bike, competitors like Honda, Bajaj, and TVS will be forced to respond. Because Splendor is not just a bike, it's an emotion for millions of riders. A CNG version will dominate the commuter segment. Attract middle-class buyers instantly. Set a new benchmark for mileage. This could even start a new trend of CNG bikes in India. Segment 7, Reality Check. Now let's be real for a moment. This is still a leak/expected update, not officially confirmed by Hero. There are also some challenges. CNG station availability. Space for cylinder. Performance drop compared to petrol. But knowing Hero, they won't launch it unless it's practical and reliable. Segment 8, Final Thoughts. So what do you think? If Hero actually launches a Splendor Plus CNG with 100 plus mileage, it could become the most popular bike in India again. Low cost, high mileage, trusted brand, this combination is unbeatable. But the big question is, Will Hero really launch it in 2026? Or is this just a concept for now? Comment down below, backhand index pointing down. Would you buy a CNG Splendor Plus if it launches? And don't forget to thumbs up like this video. Repeat button share with your friends. Bell subscribe to SG Riders for more crazy bike updates. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and stay awesome.